Hey guys, Andy with Baker Hill. Hey, I'm really excited to personally invite you to our annual conference. Now, we do it usually at locations across the country, selected by users as well as our board of advisors. And this year, I'm excited to announce that it's going to be in Texas, my home state, in San Antonio at the La Cantera Resort. Now, this is a pretty exciting time where all of our credit unions and banks come together and we look at things like what is roadmap, what are we doing with the technology, and more importantly, where are we headed as we lead through lending. Now, last year we're continuing something that we did with Malcolm Gladwell and these major keynote speakers, and this year we're excited to announce that it's going to be Walter Isaacson. Now, he's a New York Times bestseller as well, and the coolest thing ever is he covered off Steve Jobs, and then he sat with Elon Musk, and we're going to unpack a lot of leadership traits for all of our folks. And so I don't want you to miss it. Mark your calendars. Again, it's going to be May 3rd through 6th, the La Cantera Resort, San Antonio, Texas, Texas style.